Hey guys, today we have this 2008 Honda Pilot and we have this squeaking noise in the back every time you bump or turn. And I know it's not the suspension because it's not the struts or whatever. Let me see if you can hear this right here. That those are the rear bushing for the stabilizer bar, so we're gonna adjust that and replace it. Let's get started. Alright, when you leave the car to follow where's that thing at, this is a stabilizer. Whatever that continues to above, it's right above this subframe, this rear subframe. So we're gonna go ahead, find the thing, it's right there. Let me get a light. We're gonna be using this mode. Let me see. K20915. Alright, so if you look up here, not sure if you can see, okay, right here, right there, those are the one we're looking at. There you go, right there. So we're gonna remove that and replace it with the new one, which you have to drop this whole thing here. You have bolts here. I'm gonna leave this hanging. I'm just gonna, if you don't know how long is this, you can try to remove this bolt first and see how much, and then leave like about an inch or inside the body, the treads. So we're gonna drop that, but the most thing that we're gonna drop is this side here, like the front side, so we have access to get those both sides. Alright, let's go get the sockets for these. Alright, so I'm gonna lose this back side. This one, you still have 3 hooked in. So this is how long the thread is. So I'm gonna leave at least an inch here, about this much, stick it inside. So my height will be about like that. I'm gonna do that both sides on the rear, so at least it's catching still. I'm not gonna fully drop this one. So that's how it is there, and that's what I'm gonna do with the other side on the rear side. Let's see. Okay, so that's good enough, and when you drop the front one, you'll be able to see. Now we start seeing more. We got more space in here. Let's see if I can get my light again. And now you can somehow see it more. Right there, you can see it better. See? Now you can have an access. At least you can fit your hand in there. Let's see if I can reach it. Oh, not still. So I'm gonna drop the front, this one here, just a little bit more, so I got more access. Okay, so I'm gonna drop this one here. Almost out. So I think that's good enough. Let's see if I can reach it now. Sure. I'm doing it one at a time. So we gotta drop one side first and remove it and then go to the other side. Alright, now we can see the bushings in there. Zoom in. So the bolts, so my hand goes me see if I show you. So from back here, my hands can already fit in this side, in this corner. As long as you can reach it, that's all we need to do. And the bolts up there is 12 millimeter. So it's gonna be one in the front, one in the back. Let me go loose this one up. Okay, so I removed both of the bolts already, like there. So right now you can actually kind of move them back and forth. So you can actually lift them up from here, and that should push up. If you have a pry bar, even not a pry bar, let's see. You can just remove that bracket up. So if you get a pry bar, okay. So the pry bar should pull. Let me see it. See if I can zoom in just a little bit. Let's change the focus on this one. It's right there. Change the focus real quick. There we go, right there. So you can pry that up. So that one is out. And now we're gonna see. There you go. Right there. Got that out. Now we're gonna get the bushing out. So I can lift up just a little bit more. Maybe you can see better. That one is out. I'm just gonna get the actual bushing. You're gonna slide that out here. See that? Move out my flashlight so y'all can see it. So you're gonna slide that out. From this side. See, this is gonna slide out. There you go. So now I got it out. Oops, sorry. Kick my stand. There you go. See? That's out. So this is the old one, and this is the new one. Let's go ahead and install it. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and install it back in. This is the old one, this is the new one. Alright, so you just like open this one side, that cut side towards the front of the car. You slide it in here, and then you slide it up. You don't have to put any grease on here because it's supposed to do its job. So once you have it online in here, let's see. There you go, I'm up there. Okay, so once you got it up there, we'll go ahead and get the bracket, put it on top. And then it might be the tricky part is to align it with the hole for the bolts to go in. But yeah, good luck to us. I'm just gonna use my finger. If not, I'll get a mirror if you can see it. Alright, so I'm using a mirror so I can see it. I kind of see it now. Where is it? It's going to here. There you go. I can see it. Not sure if y'all can see it, but it's right there. See, I'm aligned. So just get the bolt back in there. Please get one side, and then go ahead and get the other side. Let's go one at a time. Okay, so I have both sides in. I have not tied in yet. As you can see, it's there. So to tighten it, or axing the bolt with this with your socket and your ratchet. Mine goes this way in the back, and the one on the front side, I put my hand somewhere here or here. You'll be able to fit it and get it out and put it back together. So once I'm done with this, I'm gonna put this side back, at least the front, and then do the other side now. Alright, so this passenger side is done. I'm gonna go ahead and tighten this back, the front. I mean the driver's side is done. I'm gonna go ahead tighten the driver's side front bolt, and now I'm moving the passenger side. Where is it at? I think it's right here. There you go. Okay. There you go. I'll use that again. Just a little bit. I'm not gonna torque, and I'll torque that later. So that's good enough, I think. Let's see if I can drop a little bit more from the rear side, just to get some more room. Just a little bit. Once you think you have enough for your head to go up, I think the passenger side has more room. Let's check it out. Yeah, I think this side has more room for us to work on. Let me see. Yeah, this one has more room. It's a little bit more deeper. So what I did too, this one has a screw here. I removed that. I did that on this side too, with the driver's side, because it's getting caught in my arm. So this one, remove that out, so we got plenty of room here. Same process, remove that 12mm bolt, and then get it out. Alright, we got that out, finally. Bracket out. And then we can slide this bushings out of the way. See that? Start moving it. Actually just like hold it from here. There you go. I'll drop it. Okay, time to put the new one in. So this is the new one. So this is the old one. This is trash. Let's throw this away. That's it. And then there you go. Alright. You can slide the whole bar towards the back. And then that's it. And then I'm gonna find my bracket. I think I'll drop it in the back side. Got it back there. Alright, so we got the bracket on top. Let's go ahead and push that a little bit in. And we gotta find the hole again. It's gotta be somewhere here. See, that's the hole for the bracket. And then let me take my hand out. There you go. That's the other hole. So we're gonna go right. It's a little bit towards the right. And go ahead. Push that a little bit more. So you can see that's the bolt we have and that's the hole. So we're gonna push it with a pry bar just to get a line. Slowly. Alright, it's coming in. Once you have that, okay, I think that's pretty good. Once we have that, the other side should be pretty good. See, I'm all the way in there. Alright, then get the other side of the bolt, then tighten it. Alright, those are tight. So, time to remove that one. And then let's go ahead and put back everything that we just took out. Like this one here. Take this bolt out here. This one go back in place. And this one we have a bolt. If I can find it. Alright, just put bolt back. Get that back in. Go ahead. Put this back in. We're gonna torque them once we install this. Rear side frame bolt. Make sure everything's tight. So let me find the torque specs for that. Alright, so let's go ahead and torque these. These are 69 foot-pounds all across 4 of them. Passenger side. Once you got the torque, just the last one. Go back, check it one more time, and then make sure we didn't leave any tools around here. So alright, that's it guys. I guess if we have a spare tire, it'd be easier if you remove it, because this doesn't have any spare tire, so it's pretty open. Let's go ahead and drop the car and check it out. Now we got it off the ground, on the ground. Let's go test it. We'll see if there's any difference. There you go guys, so you'll hear something, but it's the tires. I don't hear anything. I don't hear anything. That's really good. Of course, we're gonna test drive it, but I'm pretty sure that's fix it, because it's a common problem for these cars, Honda Pilot. Alright guys, I hope you like and enjoyed that video. So this is for 2008 Honda Pilot, but it works for any other Pilot. Rear bushing for the stabilizer bar. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Till next time.